Hi everyone, today I have a super quick recipe for you. We're going to make pesto. So I have a bowl with me and I'm in the garden. We were growing basil all summer and now we have a ton of it, so why not make some pesto? We have so much basil, it's growing like crazy, so we're going to make basil pesto. I also really just wanted to show off the bowl I made in ceramics class. That should do it. Basil smells so lovely. So now we're going to rinse off this basil and make sure it's nice and clean. For the rest of the ingredients, we have a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, we have a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, we have a fresh lemon here, we're going to squeeze some fresh juice into it, about 2 teaspoons full, and then instead of pine nuts, which is the traditional ingredient, we're going to put in a big scoop of almond butter. We have all the ingredients in here now except for the olive oil, so we're going to turn this on and we're going to pour the olive oil slowly through the top. Here's the final product. Make quite a bit. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Basil pesto is so versatile because of course you can toss it with pasta. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to make some gnocchi and I'm just going to toss it with the pesto for the sauce, and that's all you need to do. Or it's great as a sandwich spread, or you can even add a little teaspoon of it to soups or stews to add a little bit of flavor, or you can drizzle it on top of dishes too, like eggs or on top of your soup. So I hope you make it for yourself. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.